Hi, this is Ken Peters at MysteryDecoders.com. Since February 7th, 2016, when we first noticed a mysterious object and a flyby object near our sun, we released our first video about these two objects. But we soon found the images we downloaded were changed by NASA. This prompted us to release more videos on this subject. As I have stated in these videos, we are concerned and puzzled not only by the objects, but also the way NASA handled these images. So today I want to show you what our team found going back all the way to 2012 with yet more shocking photo editing by NASA. You may be really surprised when I told you on February the 19th, 2016, that NASA changed the images 3 times between 2/9/16 to 2/14/16. Well, what would you say if I tell you that NASA changed it again? Look at this video. Our earlier download showed the object disappeared on 2/15, then it reappears and disappears on 2/22/16, and again at midnight. If there's nothing to hide, why change it? As I stated in my first video on 2/7/16, I'm not sure if we need to worry about this object because, number one, the object did not move since its discovery on 1/14/16, so if it is Nibiru, it should move. Number two, the lower left area showed a different color and it disappeared when the object disappeared. Possibly some lens defect. 3. The light shined on the side away from the sun if NASA did not edit the photo. But NASA edited the photo and changed the images. So could this be Nibiru? Like these pictures taken during a solar explosion? Now let's talk about the flyby object. When I saw the 1/15/16 flyby object, based on the size and speed, I made the estimate of the flyby date approximately May to June 2016. That is, if it is heading our way. Because one comment I got stated that the object is moving away from us. Assuming that information is correct, well, then we have another problem. Because on 2/15/16, another flyby object appeared, but this time moving in the opposite direction. So maybe it's heading toward us? Then that can be near Earth around June 2016. However, I decided to see if I can find more of these objects. Although we now have serious doubts on NASA images, I still have to search its images. So this is what we found. In 2015, between January 15th through the 31st, you can see one object at the 9 o'clock position, but it seemed to stay in the spots. And the object flying by from right to left. Then from July through August 2015, an object seemed to move away near the 4 o'clock position. Please note that NASA had only these 2 image groups left for 2015. all other images were missing. In 2014, the February slides showed not only one object passing through the center of the sun from left to right, but at the same time, another object flew above the sun from right to left. In June, another object passed through the sun from right to left. I also have images showing the October object entering from right and ending near the sun. The year 2013 presented some interesting findings as well. Look at these 3 videos. Please note that these objects seem to pass through the center of our sun. If these are comets, they will be gone when they get close to our sun. But these objects just pass through. We have 5 videos of flybys in 2012. If you look at the one in June, you will see 3 flybys. Several comments I have received were to laugh at the doomsday that never came. Well, maybe we are not the only ones disappointed. Are all these UFOs here to help us? Or to watch the doomsday fireworks? Remember, 2012 was supposed to be a doomsday year. Well, I'm glad it did not happen. But look at these 5 videos. What a busy year. And look at this other NASA video showing possibly a UFO refueling from our sun. There's so much that we don't know. I am sure NASA knows more, but I am pretty sure NASA would rather keep it under cover. If indeed these are UFOs, why did they come? And will they head our way? If nothing has happened in the past, maybe nothing will happen in the future. But why did NASA change those images? Well, I don't have an answer, but if you do, please share with us. Thanks again for watching.